this cookie is one of the first cookies that I learned how to make at the bakery. This is a childhood fave, great with milk. You like to dip the milk in there and have some fun. So I got some sugar and shortening.
Sugar and shortening, a little bit of vanilla.
Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of baking powder. These are nice and fluffy. Okay, we're gonna cream that. So now I added my eggs, and now I'm gonna slowly add my milk. Okay. Okay, so nice and easy. And then lastly, we got some flour here. And then what we do is
you chill that down first? Or no, not necessary?
It depends. If it's like summer and really hot, then yes. If it's winter, then no. So
gotcha.
So we get the dough, right?
That's fun to watch, huh? He's gonna have really good upper arms.
Well, so we do that.
It looks like gnocchi.
And then you take them, right? And
I want to make one.
You want to make one?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so look. So you kind of push like this. And then we're going to take it like this. And then you're going to twist it.
This one's runty.
You made a U.
Like that. You have a little bit of nonpareil seeds. Because these are, you know,
sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
He's got sprinkles.
Yeah, Italian sprinkles. That's what we call them. So we put a couple nonpareil seeds. And then
look, bud.
We're going to bake these. Oh, look at these, huh?